and welcome to the first video in this series on infrastructure. This won't be a deep technical dive, but instead focus on things business owners need to look for, think about, and know about their basic network layout. Today, we're going to focus on wiring. I hope to help you determine where your current network stacks up, and also things to look out for if you're remodeling, moving, or opening new locations. Nothing is going to replace a trained eye on site, but this should get you started. The first thing you should look for is that your network is running at gigabit speeds. This will ensure your internal traffic is running as fast as it can. If your network is still on 10100, it's definitely time for an upgrade because your switch hardware is probably old and your network is woefully underprepared for modern network and telephony options. Let's talk about sizing. At minimum, there should be one network jack and switch connection per computer. Ideally, there should be 2 jacks per location. This will help with avoiding frustration with the install of other network peripherals like printers and allows for easy expansion and upgrading things like an IP phone system. If you're remodeling or setting up a new office, I highly recommend installing all the necessary wiring for at least a 2-jack setup, even if only one is going to be active. It is cheaper to do it once, and I guarantee you'll eventually need those second ports. It's also a good idea to plan on wireless access point locations. Proper placement depends on individual business needs, but again, having the cabling already in place saves headaches down the road. Your actual cables should be at least Cat5e, but Cat6 is better. These allow you to transmit data at the proper speeds and also allow power over Ethernet if needed. Switches comes in all shapes and sizes, configurations, options, and prices. 2 things to look for are that the switches are gigabit and manageable. Even a simple or small network, the ability to get in and manage the switches will be a great boon for future-proofing your network for things like voice over IP phone systems, guest Wi-Fi, and any other potential customizations. As far as sizing goes, avoid the bare minimum. Switches typically come in 48, 24, 16, and 8-port varieties. Your IT advisor can help you decide what will suit your business-specific needs and budget. Poor networking discipline can turn a 5-minute troubleshooting task into hours of work trying to track down a potentially faulty connection. The number one thing that can be done to avoid this is to label everything. At a minimum, the ports on the wall jacks need to be labeled and their matching ports on the patch panel. Additionally, I recommend also putting labels on the cables themselves. This isn't exactly necessary, but being able to quickly see that the cable for jack 14A is actually going into port 13B can save more time than you think. Communicate early with your electrician about your needs and expectations. If they are not able to handle it, then definitely hire a certified network installer. I hope this video gives you a better understanding of basic infrastructure needs and helps with communication with your IT team. Being able to understand at a basic level what they are wanting to upgrade or improve will help you decide if it is worth the expenditure now or something that can be budgeted for later. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.